Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I channel where I get to bring you the easiest ways of locating the chassis number, the engine number, and the fin plate in motor vehicles. Here in this video, I'm showing you Subaru Impreza GG2, a model of 2005, and in this video, I'm showing you the locations of the chassis number, the engine number, and the fin plate. The chassis number is located at the left hand side of the firewall, as I will show you on this video. So I can open and show you here. Just directly when you open it, you can see it. The chassis number is on the left hand side of the firewall, while the engine number is located on the right hand side of the engine block, as you will see here, while the fin plate is located on the right hand side of the shock mounting. So on the right hand side of the shock mounting, so you can see the fin plate.